I created Family Nature Parks as a unique initiative without precedent in Canadian community sport. I also created My Right to Play as its not-for-profit arm. These two corporate vehicles are needed to refocus sport priorities towards the natural rights and needs of all. Sport is not a privilege, it is a right, and should not be denied by any means, including current unaffordable fees. Family Nature Parks plans to participate in this $100 billion plus a year business of Canadian community sports. We plan to generate ethical profits for our ethical investors, shareholders, to enable us to refocus and energize sport as the rightful advocate for good that it is. We plan to give a substantial portion of the profits to our not-for-profit arm, My Right to Play, to allow it to implement its program of supporting the economically disadvantaged and disabled to play for free in our parks. No humiliating means test is needed. The time has come for a new and daring concept of community sport. The present aging one-size-fits-all facility has outlived its usefulness. To stem the out-of-control obesity epidemic, especially in children, we must respond to Michelle Obama's Let's Move, Right to Play, Canadian Sport for Life, PHIT America, Participate Action, and many other noble voices. Our response to supply modern, affordable outdoor sport and recreational facilities needed to make their cry of reform a living reality. I sincerely wish to thank you, one and all, for your participation and support.